Okay, since Chelsea has gone to the market to look for a new coach that will take over the club for next season, right? These are the coaches I feel will handle the job very well. Right, number one is Fàbregas. Right, it's really doing great with Como, which is the current club is managing. So Chelsea should consider reaching out to him. And number two, we have Frank Lampard. Frank Lampard has a whole lot of experience, played in the English league, and he has coached several teams, and he currently promoted Coventry to the Premier League. So he's also a strong candidate for that job. Not only that, he was a former Chelsea player. All right, number three is Marco Silva. Marco Silva of Fulham. Right, he has a whole lot of experience when it comes to English and football, and his contract is expiring this year, which is 2026. So Chelsea should do well and reach out to him. All right, Eric Ten Hag at coming at number four is also there. He has experience. He was a former Manchester United coach, right, and he also has successes at his former club, which is Ajax. So he's also a good and experienced coach. All right, coming at number five, Adoni Iraola, which is the current coach of Bournemouth. He has been in the Premier League for long, and he has a whole lot of experience. Chelsea should consider him as a strong candidate because his style, I think, we failed that of Chelsea. All right, coming at number 6 or 7, I'm not sure of the number, is Rúben Amorim, which is the former Manchester United coach that was sacked recently. He also have experience in the English league as well because he has coached, Manchester United. Though wasn't that successful, but probably if Chelsea give him a chance, he will be successful. Nobody can tell. All right, number one is Xabi Alonso. Xabi Alonso is a coach I love so much. Looking at the way he handled Bayern Leverkusen, he wants titles with that team, and also manage Real Madrid for a few months before he was sacked. Is very much available in the market, and I think he's heavily linked to take over the job at Chelsea. All right, as a Chelsea fan, so who do you think should take that job looking at this candidate? And if you have any other candidate at heart, please drop them at just drop them in the comment section so that we'll talk about it. Yeah.